there, we are going to do something a little different. I'm using my Instant Vortex 6-quart air fryer, and we are going to make a Jiffy golden cake. I might have used these back in the 70s when my kids were young, but I don't remember, it's been so long ago. So I thought I would give it a try. Ray's a diabetic, it's got 23 grams of sugar. So I'm not quite sure if he'll be having any of these at all. But what you need to do, it says 1 package of this, 1 egg, a 1/2 cup of water, and then you want to preheat your oven to 350. Well, I'm putting it in the air fryer. And then it says beat for about 30 seconds. And what I'm going to do is, if you're making cupcakes, it says fill half full, 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to put some sugar-free little mini chocolate chips in. And this is what I got. It's called Dark Chocolate Drops, sugar-free. I got it at the Amish store. But look at the price, $7.75, ouch. But it was a pound. We now found some at Walmart that he likes that's sugar-free, but when you need them, you need them. So I'm gonna go get an egg, and I thought I'd mix this by hand, but I don't think I will. I think I might get my electric mixer or my old-fashioned one out, so we'll be back. Okay, I'm back with everything. So you'll need a bowl, a whisk or electric mixer, and I'm gonna use my large ice cream scoop. I had a cute scoop that my friend Charlene sent me, but when Ray cooks, he never puts things back, but he is helping me, so I'm not gonna say anything. But I'm gonna use it, this is a large scoop. This does not have a number on it, but about half, I would say. And you need some sort of a spatula. And let's get started. I'm going to pan you down. Perfect, just like that. So it says 1 package of the yellow mix, which we got, 1 egg. I always crack my egg in a separate container because I don't want no surprises. So there's 1 egg, a 1/2 cup of water, right there. 1 package of Jiffy, 1 cake mix, 1 egg, and 1/2 cup of water. And we're gonna beat it. That's it. Wow. Well, what I think I'll do before I start is just mix it a little. Has anybody made this before? And if you have, do you like them? It's been so many years. I mean, Jiffy Mix has been around, I don't know how long, but maybe if you look at the end of this video, I'll see what I can find and maybe write a little something on it. We'll see. Okay. Just want to do a little like that. And I'm going to use this. Haven't used this for a while, so thought I would use it. This was not my grandmother's. I do have hers, but it doesn't whisk as well as this one. This one does stick a little, and I'm surprised because it's not that old. The gears don't always work good in it. Might end up having to do it like this. Do what you gotta do, right? Yeah. Whoops. It's bound up. It's all right, no worries. Hold on. Okay, I'm back with another one. I've got my auntie. This is a Flint one. I believe it was my auntie's. I don't believe this was my grandmother's. I know this works really well. It's a little bit sturdier. That other white one, that was a new one that Ray bought me about 5 years ago. I don't know why I keep it, but I do. So you just want to beat this up really well. And this looks good already. You know me, I don't like to bang my bowls. My grandmother would be up ahead saying, Brenda, Brenda, Brenda. So what we do is we're just gonna dump some in because the recipe didn't call for this, but I called for it. Oh, if you hear something in the background, that's Maggie. She's playing with a bone. And we'll put a few more in, just like this. Okay, that looks pretty good. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the ice cream scoop. How do you like this? When we used to be able to drive to Canada for maple syrup season, we used to go to Lake MAINEiacGrammie, I think it was, and they had a dollar store up there. I found this at the dollar store. I got 2 of them. I thought they were too darn cute. Okay, we're just gonna pour the batter in. Oh, Missy Marvin here this morning. I can only fit 1 pan in at a time. It is a 6 quart. And I definitely have a lot more batter left. Let me see here. So leave down in the comments if you have made these before. I know I made them for my children back in the 70s, but I don't remember what they taste like. Okay, now what we're gonna do is I got my 6 quart Vortex. Ray dropped it and made the handle loose, so we have to be very careful. He's gonna have to put a screw in it. And look at this. Perfect, fits right down in there. So now I'm gonna go over and I'm gonna put them in the air fryer and I'll bring you along. Okay, here we are right here. I'm gonna hit the bake button and it said 350 temperature. Get the time here. Let's try 12 minutes. Temperature here. Well, I'm gonna have to play with, oops, there it goes. I was turning it the wrong way. There it is right there. See if I can focus it a little better for you. There you go. I just wanna get this one. It'll probably beep and tell me to turn it. And then I'm gonna hit the start button. And there she goes. Can you hear it? I'll bring you back. Okay guys, I've got it done all right here. I'm gonna show you. I did the cupcakes in the Vortex 6 quart air fryer. It took 12 minutes. I didn't like the way the top looked, but I think they're okay. So I had a little bit of batter left and I had a 6-inch pan that fit perfect, a square one, which would be this one right here. And I'm gonna bring the camera down and show you. And I put that in the oven and put chocolate chips on it. So let me bring you down. I just took some leftover hearts and sat them down just for presentation. And when Ray comes home, he'll think he's special. So here you go, let me bring you down. Can you see them? How nice they look? Again, these were done in the air fryer and this was done in the oven. Now, to check to make sure they're done, I have a big long skew. Whoops, put it in. Went all the way down, there's nothing. Cupcake, went all the way down, there's nothing. So they're all done. The cupcakes took 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 to 12 minutes. I kept checking them. And the cake took 15. Now what I'm gonna tell you is I use liners on the cupcakes. What I did is inside the pan, square pan, I'll show you, it's in the sink. It's dirty, but here it is, it was soaking. I took a round parchment paper that I bought and I just stuck it right down in. Just like that. and it worked well. I couldn't believe it, and it's easy to take out. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that bell, because you never know what's going to be on my videos. I never know what's going to be on my videos. So let's do a taste test now. Let me bring you up. Okay, here I am. And for you guys that don't know, my name is Brenda. And I don't think I want to eat a total big one right now because it's almost lunchtime. But I'm going to take this one. I'm going to take the little heart off. It was just sitting there. I'm going to unpeel it. Chocolate chips like sticking to the bottom of it. Just going to cut half of it. Still warm and the chocolate chips are sticking. Good. Look how well that cooked. Thumbs up to that if you're in a hurry and you want something real quick. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that bell, ring-a-ding-ding, share my videos. I'd greatly appreciate it. And like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. I don't even know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day. God bless. And we'll see you tomorrow. Stay safe and healthy, everybody. Stay warm here in Maine. Brr. Bye now.